So I've told you a little bit about me. So just to help me handle the pace of this conversation, I just need to know a little bit about people in the audience. So my first question here is, who of you would consider yourselves novices as far as AI goes? Okay, all right, cool, thank you. How many of you would consider yourselves very knowledgeable in AI? Okay, all right. So that just means I can't get too technical. Happy with that? Neural networks? Awesome, awesome. Okay, all right. Now, traditional AI versus generative AI. There is a distinction actually. How many of you would say you understand that distinction? Okay, a bit cool, all right. Okay, thank you, this is very helpful. So I'm guessing that one is a little bit foreign, the actual technology behind generative AI. Your variational autoencoders, your transformers, those things. Okay, cool. So that only comes towards the end, and we can ignore that if you prefer. Okay, and then this one, because I'm talking to risk managers, how many of you would say you've got a firm handle on how this is going to impact all of us going forward? I will definitely say to you, I've got no clue. What I thought 6 months ago is not necessarily what I thought today. This field is changing so quickly. I cannot imagine what's going to happen with AI in 2025. This year I might be able to say to you things like you're going to have less standalone applications. A lot of the AI stuff that currently works standalone, like a Midjourney or ChatGPT, all of these things are going to be integrated into your everyday lives. It will be like a Copilot, like Microsoft Copilot. It's just going to be there.